Let me introduce my newest and free pattern, the Krissa Crop. This is a simple crop top with a fun split back detail. I just love this back detail. I think it's adorable. It has a cute button closure at the top with a crossover back. This is going to be a great pattern for beginners who want to test their skills, as it has a bias finish on the armholes and neck, a blind stitch on the hem. It has the buttonhole closure that you can practice and some bust starts. And I tried to really guide you through these in my instructions for this pattern. And of course, in order to get this pattern, you just have to subscribe to my monthly newsletter. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. I had so much fun putting it together for y'all, and I can't wait to see it out in the world. It's the Krissa Crop. Bye! And happy sewing!